So are you stuck at the same level even after months of practice? Now here's the brutal truth. 99% of players never watch themselves play, and well, that's why they're stuck. The fix takes all but 20 seconds to set up, and you're probably already holding it in your hand. Now, the best way to progress is obviously a coaching session. They can spot your mistakes just by looking at you. Well, that's the real value there, until you forget half of it. What actually sticks is seeing your own mistakes on screen. Record every match on your phone. Watch it once at full speed, then frame by frame. And fix one thing, just one. Especially for beginners, I'm really starting to feel like a Sunday senior tennis match over here. Let's do something about it. No complicated gear, no editing, no excuses. The most honest coach you'll ever meet is you. Grab a simple €8 stand and set it down behind the glass behind you. Tilt the phone a little so both baselines and the near glass wall are in frame. About shoulder height. Hit record, lock the screen, and forget it's even there. Feeling fancy, a €12 mini tripod on the bench to the side or behind the glass works just as well. And that's about as expensive as it gets. 3 replays, 3 questions. Where am I standing at impact? Spoiler alert, too far forward, camping in no man's land. How early is my racket ready? Freeze frame before the opponent hits. If your racket's still dangling, there's your answer. What shot did I choose? Mark every smash red, every lob blue. If it's all red, you're basically serving your opponent 3 points. And then pick the ugliest mistake. Say for you it's racket prep. Come next session, warm up with split step drills. Split, turn, racket ready before the ball clears the net. Now record 3 rallies. Check again. You'll spot the fix in under 20 minutes. Do this weekly and you'll climb half a rank in a month. Trying to fix 3 things at once, your brain just can't handle that. There's way too much to process all at once. Oh, and ask first if you're playing with someone new. Some mind being filmed, but nobody likes surprises. And if you agree to share the footage, most people will say yes and hopefully take lessons from it as well. Even if the focus of the camera is mostly on you. Now comment below with the flaw you caught yourself doing on tape. I'll respond to every single one of your comments with the fix or the video that helped me solve it. Now you don't need a new expensive racket to progress. You need a mirror, and your phone is that mirror. And the footage, well, that's the best way to progress in Padel.